Hello everybody, this is Supreme here with another tutorial on how to program in Turing. So today I'm going to give a detailed description as to what Input.KeyDown is and what array char of boolean is. So here I got a program that has a ball that moves around with the arrow keys. Moves around any direction that you want it to. So the method I'm using is I have a string, and the bracket 1, that's how you set a limit as to how many letters or characters the string can have. You can use this for anything. You can use it for integers, set on how big the number can be for reals and stuff like that, but you obviously can't do it for booleans. So then I have this right here, which is get, and then ch, and then bracket controls. Now this has to be a string with only one character allowed. So all this is saying is once you type a character, then it'll go to the next line. So now I'm going to talk about why would you prefer to use Input.KeyDown versus this method. Well, let's see, I'm going to hold the left arrow. If you saw what happened, it moved once, and then it started moving quicker. You know how in notepads and stuff, I'll show you an example. Like when you're typing something, if you hold down a letter, it'll keep repeatedly typing that letter. Well, that's the same deal with the run window. You're running it, and you're holding on to the arrow, so it moves once, and then it repeatedly runs it again. Now, for video games, this is very stiff, and is not very good for graphics and stuff. So, if I change this to an array char of boolean, now it's an array of all the characters of boolean. So basically, it's an array of all the characters, and then it has the value of true or false. Meaning, if you're pressing the button or the character, then that value is true. If you're not, it's false. So now we gotta change this to Input.KeyDown, and then bracket controls. So this is saying you're gonna input by pressing a key down, literally. So now I have to change this to, since it's an array, the characters are the subscripts. So we have to put these in brackets because you know that's how arrays work. Alright, so now I'm going to hold the left button. Also, notice how much smoother it is. How much faster it's moving. That's another reason why to use Input.KeyDown. Because it moves faster. Because get character and get statements, they wait until you get something. But Input.KeyDown, it'll just keep skipping past it because it's like Input.KeyDown. Alright, so now did you press the up arrow? If controls bracket key up arrow. Oh no, you didn't? Did you press this? Nope. Did you press this? This? No? Well, let's do nothing. Because again, like I explained, it will return false if you're not pressing that key. So it's returning true and false for all the keys you're pressing. So that's why it's useful with video games, and that's why it's useful for graphics and motion. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, you can subscribe to my channel. This is Supreme logging off.